And that's another thing. See, now I got the lights pointing. Oh, see that? Come here, just hold it. Now I got the lights pointing up. Now look at it.
Hey, that
you
is
see it?
Crazy, bro.
Cool. All right, hey, what's up, everybody? It is your boy Brandon, and we got something a little bit creative for you today in today's photo shoot. We are going to be using not flash, not natural light. We are going to be using LEDs for today's photo shoot. All right. Now these are the Pavotube II 30Xs. Now, Nanlite did send me these. All right. They do not get no say so in this video or anything that we're doing before we actually post it. All right. But we will be using. We have 4 of them. 3 of them is already set up. So we're gonna be doing some little creative shots for you today in today's video. This is gonna be a little challenge. All right. It's gonna be crazy. Now, with the lens that we're gonna be using the A7R5 today with the 50mm 1.2, but a little bit twisted that we're gonna put on a bloom filter, all right? Because we wanna make sure we bloom these lights and get a nice little haze look into them. I think we're using Cinebloom, all right? Comment, like, and subscribe, and we will see you in the video. I holla, peace.
I need to step back. Constantly online, causing me setbacks too. Every day see so many people doing the things you do, and they're doing it better too. Whoa, whoa. Feels like, why should I even try when there's always some other guy who's way ahead of you, but makes it look easy. Why would they need me? Oh, I hear it now. I'm just being needy. I try not to envy you, to get angry, you do it better than me.
All right, so for the setup, what we're gonna do is we're using 3 of the Pavotubes, all right? So I'm using the top one as to get a nice hair light, so it's a little bit behind her. So I'm gonna have her in front of that light a little bit just to get a nice light on her hair and her shoulders, kind of on her back. So that's one as that is. And then the other ones are gonna be right here on the rim lights on her shoulders, on the side of her. And then I'm gonna play around with that a little bit and see what we come up with, all right? Let's go. But what I'm gonna do is actually I'm gonna make this to yellow since she has a yellow. We're just gonna rock this yellow. All the way back, right there, stop. Okay, yep, we're working. Here we go. Ready, and 3, 2, 1. Oh no, that looks amazing. That's gonna be crazy. All right, we're gonna do a few more here. So let's hold the. So you know how, say for instance, if it was bat, you know, you like either have the bat like over your shoulder or something like this. Have it like you about to beat somebody up, like you love it. So right now you look. Yeah, I was about to say you got to give me a lean or something because right now it was just kind of like stagnant. So give me something a little bit more powerful. There you go, gorgeous. That's it. I love it. Bring your body this way a little bit. Now, yeah, perfect. There we go. Keep you right in the center. Good. 3, 2, 1. Love that. Take your head, look straight over that way. Yeah, keep turning your head. One more, some more. There, right there. Stop. Good. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that just looks gorgeous. Gorge. All right, good. 3, 2, 1. Stay right there. Now turn your head all the way to that wall. Yes, yes. Keep going. Keep turn slowly. Yep, right there. Whew, I love that. I'm gonna get 2 shots. Hold on. 3, 2, 1. One more shot. Good. Love that. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, girl. Was that one burning? What? All right, here we go. Here we go. Perfect. And 3, 2, 1. All right, let's do something straight on. I want something straight on right here at me. Perfect. Yep. You can either put this down or put it to the side with one hand and use your thumb, put the other part right here in your thing. Yep, open up and straight pose. I want more fierce posing, yes. Yes, there we go. Good, I love it. 3, 2, 1. Good, beautiful, yes, there you go. Chin up, good, 3, 2, 1. Good, perfect, perfect. Love that, love that. 3, 2, 1. Make sure you turn your head a little bit, part your lips a little bit. Good, good. Chin up a little bit more. Keep your face in the light. Good, right there. 3, 2, 1. Good, good. I love that. I love it. Love that. Okay, we get one more shot, and then we're gonna switch it up. Good, and oh, perfect. Perfect. I love that for some reason. Look at this. Here we go, and 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna get one more shot, one more shot.
Once you do that, can you stay? I'm okay.
3, 2, and ow! Like crawling with the light, you'll have the light and stuff on you, but with the Mylar, it will look really, really good. So that's kind of what I'm going for right now. So, all right. So let me see here. I think I'm gonna do a blue. Yeah, it works. Now, for the test. Now I got the lights pointing up. Now look at it.
Dang, that
You
is
see it?
crazy, bro.
You see it? Swing your booty that way. Yes. Yep. And then you, yep, perfect. Yep. Good, good. Perfect, right there. All right, good. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Chin up a little bit. There you go. Yeah, yeah, you can push them. They were falling. Now, there you go. Perfect. Good, perfect. Good, right there. 3, 2, 1. Gorge. Pose. So you can, like I said, you can sit on. You might can sit on one leg, sit down on one leg, and yeah, perfect. Yep, whatever you do, like I said, you can bring that hand back over towards me. Yes, yep, perfect. All right, here we go. Go on. That hand on the outside, bring it more in towards you. Yep, perfect. Good, lovely. Yes, 3, you're good, love it. Good, 3, 2, 1. Chin up a little bit. There we go, beautiful. 3, 2, 1. Grab your shoe like you just did. That was actually a good, yeah. Yeah, you're good. Good, beautiful. Oh, part your lips again, just like you just had them. 3, 2, 1. Part some more again. There you go, perfect. 3, 2, 1. Gorge. Beautiful. There we go, stop. There we go. Here we go, and 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that looks incredible. Come on. There we go, stay right there. Here we go, and 3, 2, 1. Ooh, I love that. Look at that. No, you can switch it up. You come to the front like this, and then put your hands in the middle. Good. Boom. 3, 2, 1. Very good. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Can you put your, I'm gonna come up real quick. Last shot right here. I'm gonna try to get a top down shot. See if I can get all the lights together. All right, can you see that light? It can't see you. Nope, it sure can't. There you go. All right, yep. Ah, much better. Ooh, look at that. All right, here we go, and 3, 2, 1. Let me see here. This is it. That's it right there. Yo, you got it. 3, 2, 1. Good. Love it. Work it. 3. Keep that facing the light. 3, 2, 1. Yep. Gorge. I love that. Beauty. 3, 2, 1. Good. Love it. These are beauty shots. These are so fire. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Last one. Here it is. 3, 2, and 1. Oh! Somebody stop me! Somebody stop me! Hey, what's up, everybody? It is your boy Brandon. I want to thank you guys for checking out this incredible video with my model, Nicolatori, 5 syllables. Hey, we had a great time, man. First of all, I want to give a big shout out to Nanlite for sending out the LED kit. This is a 4-pack kit for these things. I think these things are like $1,300 or something like that. I don't even know, but I'll make sure I put it in there. I can't really recommend it because it is not a kit that I would buy because they are very expensive, and I know there's a lot of lights like this that are out there right now. However, if you want the best of the best, these are the best of the best. They have a nice weight to them. There's a lot of things that you can do with these things, man, and they pretty much can match anything. I also have a remote to these things also, so you can control these through remote. They have quarter 20s all the way around them, so they're top of the line. They can't be beat with no LED. I think they're like 40. Let me see, 40, about 40 some inches long, man. But these things are just absolutely amazing. So they're powerful, they're bright, and there's a lot of things that you can do with these. Again, these are the Pavotube II 30Xs. All right, so I'll make sure I put these in the comment section. But if you're into production or movie production or a lot of things with movies and you need some of the best LEDs around that will not fail on you, anything, definitely get the Nanlites, man. I can't thank them enough for having these. They're just not in my budget. I like the ones that cost like $10, but yeah, Nanlite, hey, amazing job. They can't be compared to. So definitely check them out, man. Until next time, man, make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe to your boy's channel. You got a YouTube channel also. I tagged you in the last one.
Yeah.
I tagged you. So I'm going to tag her again, but also check out her YouTube channel. I'm trying to help her. She needs to get her YouTube channel up. She's doing way too much stuff and don't have a YouTube channel, all right? So make sure you guys follow her. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Comment, like, and subscribe when we see you. We already out of here. Peace. Thanks for the LEDs. We out here. Bye. I'm out.